In a recent announcement, Apple introduced the iPad Air 2024, featuring a substantial 13-inch display, the next-generation M2 processor, and extended battery life. This positions the iPad Air M2 as a serious competitor in the high-performance tablet market, currently occupied by devices like the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. So, which one you should pick? To assist you in making an informed choice, we are going to compare the iPad Air M2 and the Galaxy Tab S9 across key performance and user experience factors. This will help you to identify the tablet that best aligns with your specific needs and workflow. The newest iPad Air introduces a significant departure from tradition with its expansive 13-inch display. This behemoth offers a 30% increase in screen real estate compared to the standard iPad Air, significantly surpassing the footprint of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. Power users and those seeking an immersive entertainment experience will undoubtedly appreciate the additional workspace. However, for users prioritizing portability, the familiar 11-inch iPad Air remains available, mirroring the dimensions of the Galaxy Tab S9. While both tablets deliver crisp visuals, a closer look reveals key technological differences. The iPad Air relies on a traditional LED IPS panel, which provides a reliable viewing experience. However, the Galaxy Tab S9 takes the visual experience to a new level with its cutting-edge OLED display technology. Users can expect significantly enhanced brightness, richer colors, and a more vibrant overall picture on the Tab S9. Furthermore, the Tab S9 boasts a superior 120Hz refresh rate, resulting in noticeably smoother visuals compared to the iPad Air's standard 60Hz refresh rate. For users requiring a robust device that can withstand the elements, the Galaxy Tab S9 stands out with its impressive IP68 water and dust resistance rating. This rating signifies the tablet's ability to survive submersion in up to 1.5 meters of water for 30 minutes, making it an ideal companion for poolside work sessions or outdoor adventures. Conversely, the iPad Air lacks any official water or dust resistance rating, necessitating greater caution around liquids. The iPad Air M2 boasts the crown jewel of Apple's engineering prowess, the M2 chipset. This powerhouse delivers a 50% performance leap compared to its predecessor, the M1, and even outmuscles the 2022 iPad Pro. This translates to exceptional responsiveness for demanding tasks like multitasking, video editing, and high-end gaming. The M2 chip, working in harmony with iPad OS, guarantees a smooth and lag-free user experience. The Galaxy Tab S9 isn't a slouch in the performance department either. While not quite as mighty as the M2, its Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip offers ample muscle for everyday tasks and even graphics-intensive games. Whether you're juggling multiple apps or pushing the limits with demanding software, the Tab S9 tackles it all with aplomb. When it comes to additional features, the iPad Air M2 focuses on raw processing power. The Galaxy Tab S9, however, brings a suite of AI-powered tools to the table under the umbrella of Galaxy AI. These intelligent assistants can rewrite emails, translate languages on the fly, condense website content, and even enhance photos with a touch of AI magic. The iPad Air M2 leverages the familiar and user-friendly iPad OS. This system boasts intuitive navigation and seamless integration within the Apple ecosystem, making it a breeze to navigate for productivity, creativity, and entertainment. On the other hand, the Galaxy Tab S9 embraces the customizability and vast app library of Android with Samsung's One UI on top. This combination empowers users to personalize their experience and access a wider range of applications and services through the Google Play Store. For users who prioritize exceptional photo and video capture, the iPad Air M2 emerges victorious. It boasts a sophisticated camera system featuring a 12-megapixel wide sensor capable of stunning 4K video recording. Furthermore, the 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera with its expanded field of view enhances video conferencing experiences. While the Galaxy Tab S9 delivers decent camera quality with a 13-megapixel main sensor, a 6-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 12-megapixel rear camera, it falls short of the iPad Air M2's overall capabilities, particularly in the ultra-wide arena. Both tablets boast impressive battery life, ensuring you can stay connected and productive throughout the workday. When it comes to accessories, Both tablets offer a plethora of options to enhance functionality. The iPad Air 11 seamlessly integrates with the first-generation Magic Keyboard and the second-generation Apple Pencil, transforming it into a productivity powerhouse. The Galaxy Tab S9 takes a different approach, including the S Pen stylus directly in the box. Additionally, it offers a keyboard case akin to the iPad Airs, enabling a laptop-like experience with DeX support for multitasking. Price can be a significant deciding factor. The iPad Air M2 falls into a more wallet-friendly range compared to the Galaxy Tab S9. The iPad Air M2 starts at $599 for the Wi-Fi-only model with 128 GB of storage, whereas the Galaxy Tab S9 sets sail at $799 for the Wi-Fi-only 128 GB version. Remember to factor in the cost of the Apple Pencil 2, sold separately, for the iPad Air M2, while the S Pen comes complimentary with the Tab S9. Overall, in the high-performance tablet arena, the iPad Air M2 and Galaxy Tab S9 vie for dominance. The iPad Air M2 reigns supreme in raw processing power and affordability, particularly appealing to Apple users seeking seamless integration within the ecosystem. However, the Galaxy Tab S9 prioritizes durability with its water-resistant design and boasts a smoother display with a refresh rate advantage. It also offers unique AI features and includes a stylus, catering to Android users who value special functionalities and a wider app selection. Ultimately, the optimal choice hinges on your specific needs. Prioritize unbridled power and cost-effectiveness with the iPad Air M2, or value-enhanced durability, a more captivating display, and unique features with the Galaxy Tab S9.